In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this Garri with the oven bake method and the frying method, okay? I will be using the oven bake method and the frying method. I want to show you guys and you guys will be the judge. Tell me which one is your favorite. Keep watching. Thank you so much, guys. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's another video. I will be making Garri. I've already made Garri in my previous videos, okay? But today I'm just going to show you another way I make Garri, okay? And I decided to make a video about it to share it to you guys, maybe if you guys like the method, okay? First of all, this is my cassava, okay? I've already washed the cassava skin before I started peeling the cassava, or you can call it yuca, as the Spanish people will call it yuca. Okay, this is my cassava. I've already peeled off the skin. Now what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it once again before I started grating the cassava, okay? I, right now I'm just rinsing the cassava, then I will go ahead and grate it with my grater, and I'm using the smallest part of my grater to grate the cassava so that it will be more easy for me to blend, okay? Just watch what I do, okay? Keep watching, guys. Keep watching.
Yeah. It's JSB on the swan again. Oh. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Who make up for this day. Now those people never just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Oh. Now those people never just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but now so the storyline is me. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa still they answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Okay, guys, I am done grating all the cassava. As you can see, it's a little bit smooth. What I will do, the rest part of the cassava that I was not able to grate because I don't want to cut my fingers, okay? That's the rest part of the cassava. Then I'll go ahead and blend them with the grated one. I'll blend it together.
I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's all the matter be. See today, I dey drive in my phantom, they just they shout. I hope I full level, the people begin just to scream. I build my house, I marry my wife, they see the shadow. They say they no believe, say now that boy be this again. JSB for Muselu don't turn to big man.
Okay guys, I'm done with the blending of the cassava. The next step is for me to transfer into this bag so that I can drain some of the water from the cassava.
People will not like me before, they always they call my phone now. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. It's JSB on the swan again.
What I will do next, I will use my hand to squeeze some of the water. Okay, I'll use my hand to press some of the water off the cassava. Okay, and make sure to press it so hard so that I will get as much water out of the cassava. And please don't discharge that water. Okay, the water that is coming out right now, don't throw it away. Okay, you have to save that water because that water is full of starch. Okay, you see that water right there. What you will do next, just transfer it into a bowl and cover it and let that water settle. Okay, there is starch in that water. I went ahead and saved the water that I got from the cassava into this bowl. Then I will set aside. Okay, the next step is for me to place the cassava into the bowl. Then I will add my palm oil. Okay, if you don't want yellow garri, you can go ahead and just leave your cassava to dry. Okay, put every object on your cassava to dry, but I wanted a yellow garri. I went ahead and had some red palm oil. Okay, then I'll mix it very well.
Just because I say I don't get money, nobody want near me again. Fine guess that they dodge me like say na bullet. But today, see, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's so easy. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody, a minute can change a man. A minute can change.
After mixing it together, I went ahead and transferred it back into the bag. Then I will make sure to use my hand to press as much water that I can out of the cassava. Okay, I'm just going to use my hand to squish or to squeeze some of the water out of the cassava before placing a very heavy object on the cassava.
It's JSB on the swan again. Nobody knows tomorrow. I wish people know who go make up for life. Who make up for this day. Now those people never just they call their friend. I wish that people know who go make up for life. Now those people never just they call their friends. I thank God say nobody knows tomorrow. A minute can change a man. Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but that's how the storyline be. My brother know they do the talk.
Okay guys, this is the next day. The cassava is well dried now. Okay, then the next step is for me to use my strainer. Okay, I'm going to use my strainer to strain the garri so that the strainer will be able to separate the shaft from the garri. Okay, just watch what I do. Okay, just watch the process. Thank you guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV, and please consider subscribing before the end of the video, and please put on your bell notification so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. And please don't forget to thumbs up the video also. I really appreciate every one of you. I appreciate everyone for the love, for the support. Okay guys, this is the end result after I use my strainer. This is the shaft I got from the cassava after I use the strainer to do the process. Okay, the next thing right now is to transfer into a baking pan. Okay, I'm going to use the baking method for this one. I just want to experiment to see how it's going to turn out. Okay, I'm just going to place the cassava inside the pan, then I'll bake in the oven for 3 minutes. Okay, in 350-degree oven. Okay, it was fun doing this process, guys. After the end, you guys will tell me which of the method you prefer. Okay, I want to know your opinion. Now I'll transfer inside the oven. I would like to bake for 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, then I'll stir again. Okay, I'll keep stirring and make sure I use the spoon to break down the lumps. Okay, I will stir and make sure I use this the wooden stick, the back of the stick, to break the lumps apart. I'll cover it back. I like to bake for another 3 minutes. Then I'll repeat the same process till the garri is well dried. Okay, I'll just stir, make sure I stir, use the wood to break down the lumps till the garri is finally dried.
Don't criticize nobody at all. They break everywhere, but that's how the storyline be. My brother know they do the talk. Oluwa see the answer prayer. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. That's how it be. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody. A minute can change a man. A minute can change a man. That's how the matter be. Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my home.
At this point, guys, our garri is ready, guys. Do you guys see the crunchiness? Garri is ready. It's well dried. When I say dried, it was very dried and very crunchy. Okay, garri is ready. I think I like this method too. You see, look at the end result, guys. Look at the garri. It's very dried and very crunchy. You guys tell me what you think. Do you like this bake method or do you like the frying method? I want you to leave your comment at the comment section. Okay, now the next step, what I will do, I'm going to use the frying method also. Okay, I've already have a video for the frying method, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use the frying method too, so that we can compare it together to see the difference. Okay, so that you guys can tell me which one is your favorite. Okay, keep stirring. Make sure when you are stirring, make sure you use the back of your wooden spoon to break the lumps apart. Okay, make sure you always use the back of your wooden stick to break the lumps apart. Okay, this method is also easy. Okay, it's another way to, it's the most popular way to fry your garri. Okay, just leave me comments and tell me what you think about the baking method and about the frying method. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. Please, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love, for the support, for always coming back to watch my video. I really want to say thank you. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love and the support. May God richly bless you all. And if you are watching this from my Facebook page, please don't forget to like the page. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page. I love you guys. I love you, all my Facebook fans. May God bless you all too.
Every day back then when I stayed there for Uselu. If I just walk on my home, people go just criticize me. They say my GCT, they say my silly pass, it don't nearly fine. They give me different type of name when it no be my own. All my friends, all of them come begin run away.
Okay guys, I am finally done with this garri. It has been a full day making this garri. Okay guys, what do you think? The baking method, the fry method, which method is your favorite? I want to know guys. As for me, both are the same, okay? But I want to hear from you guys, okay? The crunchiness, they're all the same. The taste, they're all the same. But I think the baking method is the fastest method, because the baking one you don't need to stir all the time, but the frying one you have to stir all the time. I think that is the difference for me. I love both methods, okay guys. I love, if I want to do it again, I'll still use the baking method, okay? If you try this method out, if you try the baking method out, let me know, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.